What's going on, guys? I'm David Stiley, and this is how to perform single arm barbell holds in the rack.
First, set up the barbell to the correct height. When you stand up with the weight in hand, you should have 2 to 3 inches of clearance from where the barbell was resting. You may set the barbell up on a rack's J-hooks, spotter arms, pins, or on lifting blocks, so long as you have it set up to the right height. Next, load the barbell up with the appropriate weight. Put on your belt. Thoroughly chalk your hands, and approach the bar for your set. With slightly bent knees, a vertical torso, and the barbell touching your legs, stand directly upward with the weight in hand. Squeeze hard the entire time, keeping all fingers firmly clenched around the barbell. Do not allow your pinky or ring finger to loosen, allowing one side of the barbell to droop downward. Once you complete a set with your first hand, immediately begin the set with your second.